with the machine, we install all the handles into the machine. And here has 3 holes: water inlet, spill water hose, water outlet. Now we find a funnel and insert in the water inlet. And add the water. The water must be distilled water or pure water. When we see the water up from the spill water hose, it means the water is full. We can stop at the water and press here on the funnel. About the water outlet, normally we need to change the water every month. When we want to change the water, we need to open it and let the water out from the machine and then add the water again. Now we connect the pedal. And connect the power line. Find this button on the machine. Now we turn on the key switch, and here is the emergency button. When we receive the machine, it was turned on, so we need to turn off. Normally we don't need to turn on, only when we have an emergency during the operation, we need to turn on. Once turned on, the machine will turn off. Now we check the machine system. Here has 3 systems: skin rejuvenation, hair removal, and picosecond. Now we check the skin rejuvenation first. Here is the part of the body. It's neck, body, hip, leg, and arm. And here's the energy. The energy we can set to 60% first, and the work time and frequency. These two can set according to the skin tone. If the skin tone is light, we can increase the work time set to 70, and the frequency you can decrease set to 3 or 4. And if the skin tone is dark, we can decrease the work time set to 50, and the frequency we can increase set to 6 or 7. And here is the cooling system. When it is red, it means the handle will be in the cooling state. When it is green, it means the handle will be in the normal temperature state. Usually we need to make on the cooling state, and when the parameters are set, we can clean here, start working. And the second system is hair removal. The system interface is same as the first one because they use the same handle. Here also is the part of the body: neck, body, hip, leg, and arm. And here is the energy. We also set to 60% first, and adjust it based on the customer feeling. And the work time and frequency, we can set according to the denseness of the hair. If there are more hair, we can increase the work time set to 75, and the frequency you can set to 3 or 4. Discreet. And if the hair are fewer, we can decrease the work time set to 50, and the frequency set to 6 or 7. And here is the cooling system. When it was on red, it means the handle will be in the cooling state. When it is green, it means the handle will be in the normal temperature state. And all the parameters are set. We can click here, start working. And the last system, picosecond. The picosecond has 3 wavelengths: 532, 755, and 1064. The 532 is used for tattoo eyebrow, tattoo eyeliner, or tattoo, and the 755 is used for whitening, and the 1064 is used for nervous pliers on birthmarks. And this system we need to use the picosecond handle, this handle, and what wavelength we choose here, what wavelength we need to change on the handle. For example, we choose 1064 here. We need to change the operating hand on 1064. And here is the energy. The energy we can set to 300 first and adjust it basis on the customer feeling. And here is the frequency. The frequency you can set according to the trimmer item. If the trimmer item is tattoo eyebrow or tattoo, we can increase the frequency, set to 4 or 5. If the trimmer item is tattoo eyeliner, you can decrease the frequency, set to 1 or 2. And when all parameters are set, we can click here, start on the pedal, start working.